Now for the fun part with Canva is doing some animation. So these are meant to be Instagram Reels or Stories where it is really good to have animation. If you have a template and you click on it and you see something here, Tectonic is the animation that's set for the entire page. So this is called a page animation. And this is what it does. Things kind of float from left to right. So if you don't like that and you want a different animation, you can select the whole page, go to where it says Tectonic, and you can do all these different things. I kind of like this one sometimes, this breathe one. That's a page animation. So let's say now I don't want to animate the whole page the same way. What if I want to animate just this image? So see where it says page animation, photo animation. So I'm selecting the photo and I'm going to just try. Okay, I don't really like that, but that's one way. The photo zoom, that's actually kind of cool. So the whole thing looks like this. And so then let's say you wanted to animate your text. See, it says text animation here. You can change your text, like you can do all kinds of different things. But honestly, a lot of times what I do to keep it simple so it doesn't get like confusing and messy is I just select it and do the whole page animation. Another thing you can do to add more animations to your videos in Canva is you can put an actual video instead of a photo. So you just go over here to elements and you can search for anything. Find a woman, select videos, and then we can select vertical to find something that might fit, and we can select free as well if we're on the free plan. Find something that might fit kind of here. Oh, I like this paddle border. So we could just drag it over and replace that photo. So now we have a lot more movement going on. And see how it made this clip, this video is 13 seconds, so it made this entire thing 13 seconds. So you can select this, hit the trim if you wanted it to be shorter. And then the other thing with animation, of course, is these little stickers. And so we can change those out. You can just search for star and then graphics, and then filter by animated and free if you're on the free plan or pro. Apply filters and you've got a whole bunch of stars to choose from. So you can replace these if you prefer something different. Just delete the ones that are there. Put in your new ones. Maybe you want to spin it around. I don't think that looks better, but this is just an example. So those are some ways you can play with animation on your page. Let's see how this looks now back from the beginning. So you can change the text animation, the photo animation, or put a video here. You can change these little animated stickers. And this is just a great way to catch attention on social media. So try it and let me know how it goes.